The Filipino antonyms mainit, which means hot, and malamig, which means cold. Mainit, malamig. Mainit, malamig. Ang mainit na sikat ng araw ay nakakasilaw. The hot sunlight is blinding. Mainit means hot, sikat is the sunlight. Sikat ng araw, that means sunlight. Sikat is like the ray. And then araw is the sun. Ray of the sun ay nakakasilaw, it's blinding. Ang mainit na sikat ng araw ay nakakasilaw. Gusto kong huminga ng malamig na hangin. I want to breathe the cold air. Gusto means want, huminga is to like breathe. And then malamig is cold, hangin is air. Gusto kong huminga ng malamig na hangin. Mainit ang ulo ng guro kanina. The teacher was angry or hot-headed earlier. Mainit means angry or hot-headed. Ulo is the head. And then guro is the teacher. Kanina is earlier. Mainit ang ulo ng guro kanina. Ang malamig na kape ay hindi masarap. Cold coffee doesn't taste good. Malamig is cold. Kape is coffee. Hindi means not. Masarap is delicious. So not delicious. Ang malamig na kape ay hindi masarap. Mainit means hot in English. And then malamig is cold. Mainit, malamig. Mainit, malamig.